So welcome back to the Capcut video editing series. In the last class, we discussed about these basic options. So now we are moving to the, if you want to add audio in your video file, you can also do that. But there's a simple trick which I'm going to introduce you. But here's a simple option which you should know, that is this icon. But here's a simple option which I want to tell you that how it works and what is the purpose of this option. So first of all, you have to download this audio file. You are seeing an arrow like this. That means you have to download this file, stop it, and download this one, download this one. I'm going to download these files. So that this arrow means that you have to download the files. After downloading, they will be here in Capcut. You can use them anywhere. So firstly, you have to download these all files. So I have downloaded this one, for example, this one or this one. If you want to use, you simply have to drag it here, put it here, and it will be work. So now I want to till here the video. Now what you have to do, as we discussed in the last class, you have to come to here, click on this icon or press Ctrl B. I'm going to press Ctrl B and I'm going to delete this part. Click on this and press on the delete. It will be deleted. Now this is a simple way. Let's play the video. As you can see, it looks better. If you want to reduce the audio size, you have to click the here and you will see the audio properties. If you want to increase the size, you can also increase in, fade out. If you want to normalize the sound, you can do that. Enhance voice, reduce noise. These are the basically used for voiceover, but we have a music, so we are not going to use it. It will look weird. So we are not going to use these things on the music. We can use them on voiceover or any documentary. So these are the basic options. Simply I'm going to reduce little bit music volume of the music. So now let's play. Yeah, it looks much better now. So this is the basic class, and in this class we have learned that how you can add the music in your video's background. So I hope this is enough for today, and see you in the next video.